Welcome to the Woyu channel. Today I'm recommending a home mining rig for you. A silent magic device. Let's take a look at its configuration. These are two fan simulators. This is the shroud. As long as it's a 120mm sized fan, it can be placed inside, meaning for any mining rig with 120mm fans, it can be matched. This is for the air outlet. This is the fan unit. The feature of this fan unit is, it has 10 speed levels for adjustment. Different from the previous generations only for levels, it has been upgraded to 10 levels, adding 6 more levels of wind speed adjustment. Then paired with a 10-meter long exhaust duct. This forms a complete fan unit set. This fan unit comes with 10 speed adjustment. After we power it on, we simply twist it, and it operates normally. We set it to level 10. The power consumption is around 184 to 185 watts. Today, we are using this very classic S19k Pro. To pair with our silencer, first, we remove the fan from the air intake. It must be the air intake, not the exhaust. The second step, we need to remove the top cover, then replace it with this fan simulator. When we replace this fan simulator, we only need to disconnect these two wires from the air intake. We follow along this wire to find it. We can see the fan's main board. The Crow uses a 4-pin port, so we need to find the corresponding 4-pin fan simulator interface. You must hear a click sound to ensure it's fully snapped in. Now it's installed. Next, we take out the fan unit and this shroud. We need to assemble them together before proceeding to the next step. Otherwise, during installation later, the machine's power supply part might block you from screwing, preventing your screws from being tightened. After installation, be sure to check if the screws are tight enough. Next, we join this end with this end. Orient the part with the cooling fins facing downwards. Find this type of short flathead screw. The air intake part is now installed. Next, we install the exhaust shroud. On the front, first, we need to unplug the fan from the exhaust. Be sure to wiggle it side to side slowly. Must be side to side slowly to loosen it. Don't pull it out all at once, for fear of breaking the wire. Then we proceed to remove the screws. Like this, we take the fan down. This is the exhaust fan simulator. We install it on top. This is very important. You must align the 4 pins. Otherwise, if the pins are bent, the board will be damaged. Both the exhaust and intake fan simulators are now installed. We come to the final step. Attach the exhaust shroud. Don't tighten it all at once. First, put all 4 screws in place. We'll play together later. Here, our entire machine assembly is complete. The last step, we place this American-style clamp inside first. Then sleeve this exhaust duct over it. Wrap the clamp around. And slowly tighten it with a screwdriver. The duct we are showing now fully extended, is about 6 meters long. You can tell customer service based on your actual needs how long you need this exhaust duct to be. Now, let's power it on and see.